One nice thing about collecting Chelsea clocks is you can very quickly find out how old your clock is. Every Chelsea clock number, movement, with very few later exceptions, had a serial number stamped into the plate. And there are lists still available, both in Andy Demeter's book and in a separate paper that I have, that correlates the serial number with the age of the clock. If you're lucky, you have a low serial number, perhaps a 4-digit or a 5-digit. They were popular clocks at the time, so pretty soon you get into the 6-digit ones, which are more commonly found. I have a Chelsea Clock Company movement here. This is a ship's bell movement, and the serial number is stamped in the side there. I know that it's 210,000 and something, and I can correlate it to my list and see that this was made in about 1933. So any Chelsea clock that you get, it may not be visible, although if it has some sort of wooden case or outer case, you may see the serial number stamped on the back or on the bottom, so you could find the serial number without having to open it up. But very quickly you can find out how old your Chelsea clock is, when it was made, and even if you're even more curious, the factory and some information in Andy Demeter's books will tell you who ordered the clock and when they got it.